Ready to turn Redfin into your personal real estate investment goldmine? First, head over to Redfin.com and utilize those powerful search filters, focusing on property types like single-family homes or multifamily units that match your investment strategy. Narrow your search further by setting price ranges, the number of beds and baths, and even keywords like fixer-upper if you're hunting for renovation projects. Now, dive into Redfin's Map View to analyze different neighborhoods. Look for areas with rising property values, good schools, or upcoming development projects, indicators of potential growth. Click on individual property listings and scrutinize the property history. Pay close attention to price changes, previous sales dates, and any available details on renovations or improvements. Don't skip Redfin's market data analysis. It provides valuable insights into median sale prices, inventory levels, and price trends within specific zip codes, helping you gauge market competitiveness. Combine these Redfin tools to pinpoint undervalued properties, identify emerging markets, and make data-driven investment decisions, ultimately maximizing your returns in the real estate game. Now go get that deal.